your girl, Nunu the Hair Diva, and I'm back with you with a really quick video. As you can see in the title, this is going to be my Pan That Palette challenge. I have decided to redo one of the palettes that I did last year and add in a newer one that I knew I hadn't used maybe 2 or 3 times within last year. So the first palette that I wanted to show you, we all know and love it, and that is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Many of you have it already. Many of you know how much I love this palette, how I use it for my everyday looks. The colors in here are just magnificent. So when I open it up, this is what everything looks like. And I'm doing everything to stay off the camera for the moment. I am not feeling well, which means I'm not looking well. But this is what the palette looks like. Beautiful colors. As you can see, I have hit pan in one and have many dents in other colors. But I'm ready to see more of these colors looking like this. So this is going to be one of my palettes that I want to hit pan in 4 more colors. So this is going to be in every Shop My Stash video. I'm going to use it every day, whether I do bold makeup or just everyday minimized makeup. So Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Put that right there. The next palette that I am going to use, like I said before, I know absolutely that I've only used it maybe 2 or 3 times in my Shop My Stash. It was a collector's edition and I'm just ready to let it go. And that is this Divergent palette. It is so pretty. I love the packaging. I love how it's iridescent. But I have had this since, if you can see that, let's see, June of 2015. Let me block that. Alright, there you go. That's how long I've had it. And as you can see on the back, you have 3 eyeshadows. And you have a blush, a bronzer, and it also came with a lippy. Now the lippy already gone. It does have a mirror, but I'm going to block that as much as I can. And this is what the palette looks like. You have a light, medium, dark for your shadows. This is what that color looks like. That's the next color. And the third. So those are really good colors that I believe that I could, you know, use as every day. Then you have your blush, and this is supposed to be like a bronzer. That bronzer is a color that I could use as a everyday face powder, or I could use it for setting my concealer or eyeshadow primer on my eyes. I am just ready to get through these. The lippy that was here, I finished it a long time ago. Actually had it in an empties video. So now it is time to get through these. I will say that if I'm not able to do what I am trying to do with these palettes, I'm going to pass them on to Baby Girl. That is how I don't have makeup that is extremely old in my collection. I'm really good with, if I don't like it, if I don't wear it, you're coming out of my collection, because I don't want to hoard makeup at all. So these are the 2 palettes that I am trying to get through. The Divergent palette as well as the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. If you have palettes that you are panning this year, by all means let me know. I would love to watch your video and be inspired. to finish up my palettes as well. And I will go on ahead and end this by saying to all be blessed in the new year of 2017. Definitely wear your makeup. Let's not hold on to it if we don't like it. And save your money. 52-week money challenge coming very soon. See you later.